बात लागे बराबर कर. I don't want you in the center now. No, spoon तेरा. Bet. Hello everybody. Hello Maria Bori. Hello Nafisa Bain. Hello everybody. Happy Wala Monday. Come on. Okay. First come here. Don't just take it for the sake of taking it. Slowly. एकदम फ्लैट आते ही ऐसे घुमा के ऐसे. मस्ती से कैमरा. Hello everybody. Welcome back to Dulhan Jewellers. Today, 2nd August. So the entire month of August, until we reach our 50th life, we are going to give you gold coins. So people have been messaging Usman, telling them, "Hey, gold coin ka kya hua?" So on the 50th life, we will be giving to the highest buyers. So to those who are buying from us, we are making a list of them. Their names will be put in the lucky draw, and we'll be giving them gold coins. And for the sharers also, we're thinking about something. So start sharing. The highest sharer who does and gives us screenshots will get the gift. At least you have to share per week more than around 100, 150. So that is how you can come in the sharers list too. Okay, so this is a gold coin, and I expect something right now. So today we are having a mixed variety. We have got tops, balis, bracelets, sets. We have got some antique sets too. Bracelet with ring, bangle. The showstopper is a bangle, kara, and lot of things. So let's begin. Hello everybody. Thank you for sharing. Sharers are all getting wonderful gifts. So you'll start sharing, start liking Dulhan Jewellers, and please tell your friends, your families about a 50th live gold coin offer. So a lot of people will buy also, and they will benefit na. When they are buying, we are giving them some incentive. A gold coin is not less, and it's expensive, right? Thank you for sharing, all of you all. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so we'll just wait for a few seconds. Again, sharer of the week will get, we'll have 6 gifts by the end of Friday, right? Friday. Today we are giving chains. So every time we'll give you something different. So this Monday, sharer's gift is the chains. Wednesday again it will be different. Friday it will be different. So start sharing, start liking Dulhan Jewellers. We've got we have got a YouTube too also, Dulhan Jewellers. Please follow us on the YouTube. We have got the Instagram Dulhan Jewellers. We have got Facebook. Facebook also Zera Morbiwala is there, and Dulhan Jewellers page we have got. So please do follow us. Okay. Hello everybody. Hi Tasneem Ji. Hello everybody. So I'm starting with clip-on balis. जिसके पास कान के ये होल नहीं होते हैं तो क्या करेंगे, उनको भी तो कुछ देना पड़ेगा ना. So we're starting with clip-on balis. Okay, let's start. Let's begin. Today's the number is 1467. We have completed 1466 items. So isn't it fantastic? So let's begin today with 1467. The first bali and the second bali are clip-ons. I'll wear and show you. Hello Kulsum Bain. Hello Shamim Tajani. I'm fine, Shamim Tajani. Okay, so let me start, please. The first bali is a clip-on bali. Clip-on bali. I'll wear and show you. It's just you have to put it on the ears. Two colors, na? We've got two varieties, yeah. See, and press it. This is it. Show them. These are imported balis, 500 rupees. Just clip on. Just clip this on. Clip this on. Number is 1467. 1467. 1467. So first, hello everybody. See, this is the first bali. 1467. 500 rupees. 500 rupees. My nails are looking all golden. 500 rupees. Clip-on balis. Number is 1467. 1467. Get me a pen. Okay. Same one we have in a rose gold. 1468. 500 rupees rose gold one. This is the rose gold one. Okay. I'm fine, but that tamelo ko fine show. Nafisa Ben, everybody. So 2. So it looks this way. Full. And then clip on. I'm fine, Rishida Rangwala. How are you? 1467 is the golden one. 1467 is the golden one. 1468 is the rose gold one. 500 only. Thank you, Rashida Rangwala. Your all collections very beautiful. Super se bhi upar. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. There's 2 of the clip-on balis. 1 more variety in the clip-on balis. 1 more variety in the clip-on bali. 1469. 500 rupees. I'll wear and show you. 1469. Thank you for all your nice comments and collection and your orders that you all give. Thank you so much. Muzma is already putting everybody's names, huh? So start sharing, start liking. See, 1 more design on the clip-on. बस इतना ही clip-on में है. 2 varieties clip-on है. Some people wear it here, some people wear it upar bhi. These are the clip-on balis. 500 rupees. So 3 in clip-ons, okay? It looks very nice. Indo-western, westerns के लिए भी चलता है. Even अपना शलवार कमीज में भी चलेगा. Next is a top, beautiful pearl with gold. Is this a bali? Oh, this is a beautiful bali. 500 rupees only. 500 rupees only. It looks beautiful. Number is 1470. 500 rupees only. है ना प्यारा? It's got diamonds. ये सब imported है, all imported. इसका polish बहुत अच्छा लग रहेगा. 500 rupees only. I'll turn the back camera and show it to you. Order number is 9987822121. 9987822121. See. Beautiful it looks. Bali hai. 500 rupees only. Number is 1470. This the ladies can wear it, the youngsters can wear it, any age group के लिए है ये. Any age group. I'll wear and show you all. I've got 2 variety in diamond pearl Bali. No, 3. I'll just wear it. Should come. See, it looks so pretty. चनक बताऊं. ₹1470, 500 rupees only. 500 rupees only. इतना अच्छा रीजनेबल रेंज, इम्पोर्टेड कलेक्शन जो सालों साल तक रहेगा. you'll have no problem at all. I personally use these things. मालूम है मैंने मेरा गोल्ड सब रख दिया है. गोल्ड तो पहनने का मन ही नहीं हो रहा है. ये सब इतना प्यारा लगता है, इतना फैंसी और अच्छा लगता है. I like to wear all this only. And so it's very safe when I'm socializing, when I'm traveling. 500 only. 500 only. Next, one more design in a Bali. Again 500 rupees only. 500 rupees only. Number is 1471. 1471. Shaina Meman, thank you so much. You're tagging people and sharing. Thank you so much. 500 rupees only. Again, it's a Bali. पीछे से ऐसा है. So I'm showing you what I'm showing you all the earrings, and then again I will show you all. These are beautiful Balis. Even this is a Bali. Okay, Bali के अंदर ring डाला है. It looks very nice. Yes, Shaina, thank you so much. This is again 500 rupees. See, there's a Bali. As always, beautiful collection. Yeah, thank you so much. So I'll turn the camera and show you all. See, it's a Bali 1472 और इसके नीचे रिंग डाला है. There's a ring on the back side. It looks so pretty. Just 500 rupees. And trust me, ये इतने सालों तक चलेगा. इतने सालों तक चलेगा. You'll just remember me. Beautiful collection with beautiful lady. Thank you, Sakina Mutani. Thank you so much. 500 rupees only. I'll wear and show you. Yeah, sure. Order number is 9987822. Your social work is very good. God bless you. Thank you, Rashida. I'll wear and show you. Turn. Yeah. 500 rupees only. See, so matching to the outfit I'm wearing. It's looking so beautiful. Right? 500 rupees only. They look very pretty, you know, when you wear them, when you're on your westerns and all also. It looks very smart. Okay, so this one more Bali done. 500 rupees. Sab 500 ka hai, you know. So people really pick up fast. 1473. Next one, 1473. 500 rupees only. All imported. Pura imported collection hai. 1473. 500 rupees only. The pearl side का देखो, ऐसा pearl है. आगे पूरा blue color के stones है. And it looks amazing. Just 500 rupees. Looks beautiful. All the buyers who are going to buy in the month of August with good bills, their names are going to put in the lucky draw. And for lucky draw, you're getting a gold coin. So be prepared, be ready. If you're buying, तो आपको gold coin का तो हक है ना? ठीक है, 500. Next, one more Bali. Because people ask me about Balis, yaar. I've used so many Balis. See this Bali. 500 rupees only. एथनिक ब्यूटीफुल बाली, नहीं अपने दादी नानी के पास थे ये, वो टाइप की बाली है। 500 ओनली। 1474, 1474, 1474, 500 rupees only. Unbeatable rates, right? Aren't they unbeatable rates? See the finish at the back of the bali. This is the front. 1474, 500 rupees only. 2 more balis to go. Beautiful golden bali. पूरा गोल्ड वाली है और सिल्वर भी आप देख हाथ में. See, this is this way, square bali. Is this way. Thank you, Tasneem Ghi. Fantastic blue with pearls. See the rate, no, Tas? It's so nice. Okay. 1475. 500 only. 500 only. Pick up for gifting. Pick up for खुद के पहनने के लिए. It looks amazing. Amazing. One in gold and one in rhodium. This is a dull matte gold. Thank you, Sabia. And one in silver. See the back jali. You can wear for daily. Don't worry. These are all daily wear things. All imported, good quality. 500 रुपये में क्या है यार, मज़ा आ जाएगी पहन पहन के, अलग अलग पहनो रोज. 500 rupees only. ठीक है. So Bali is done. I'll do the recap later. I want to show you the earrings first. 1471. नहीं, this is 14. उसका दिख रहा है, ये ब्लर आ रहा है मेरे को इधर. क्लियर? मेरे को क्यों ब्लर आ रहा है? इधर ब्लर आ रहा है. ब्लर. 1 second. हाँ. Very, very fantastic. Oh, thank you so much. What's happening? 1 second. There's something wrong with the camera. Okay, I can show it on this camera. Beautiful emerald earrings. पूरा emerald है. It's a round earring with American diamond. 800 rupees only. या अभी मैंने कैमरा टर्न किया है. I'll show it to you again. Don't worry, I'll show it to you. 800 rupees only. Number is 1477. 1477. I just turned the camera and I can see it. Let me see what's the problem. Yeah, it's there. Clear. Okay. 1477. 800 rupees. These are imported ones. All imported earrings. I'll wear it. Okay, I'll wear it and show you. इतना सारा है, कितना पहनूंगी मैं. आज तो बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है सब इयरिंग्स में. बाली, द होल ट्रे फुल ऑफ ब्रेसलेट्स. यू विल लव इट. यू हैव टू गो लिटिल फास्टर, तो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, यू नो. सी, इट लुक्स सो नाइस. शना's turn. One 1477, 800 rupees only. 800 rupees only. All single pieces, हाँ, ये कोई भी डबल नहीं है. And once it gets sold, and everybody's messaging me, Zora Bain, we didn't get it. So be quick, when the live is on, that time ही ले लो ना. ये सब सस्ती रेंज का होता है, फटाफट बिक जाता है. So एंड तुमने इतना सारा मेरा कलेक्शन देखा है, कभी भी रेपिटेशन होते हम लोग करते ही नहीं है ज़्यादा. ओनली ब्रेसलेट रिंग भी रिपीट, अदरवाइज वी नेवर रिपीट, बिकॉज दैट्स द थिंग ना. ज्वेलरी हैज़ टू बी यूनिक. व्हेन यू आर यूनिक, व्हेन ईच पर्सन इज यूनिक, द ज्वेलरी हैज़ टू बी यूनिक. 800 rupees only. Number is 1477. 1477, 800 only. Next, 1478. 1478. Maybe this again, this has started the Gandhi comments. 1478. 800 rupees only. See, so beautiful. It's a cream pearl, full manak. See, it looks beautiful, beautiful. 1478. One piece, 800 only. 800 rupees only. Single piece, no repetition. Next, 1479. One is beautiful rose gold with diamond and marquee and pearl. ये सब मेरे है ना कैटलॉग डिज़ाइंस है. Whenever you'll open a real diamond catalog, you'll get to see all this. Beautiful, isn't it? I have got two colors, one in red and one in beige. 800 rupees only. 1479. 1479. 800 rupees only. One is this color and one is this color. 1480. 1480 is the beige color. 1479 is the red color. I'll wear and show you. I think it's number wise, no? Why I kept it here? Yeah, he kept it here. I'll wear and show you all. Order number is 99878 22121. 99878 22121. 99878 22121. You can give your orders to Uzma.
1478 sold out.
Uzma जो भी है इसका रिपीट ऑर्डर नहीं लेने का है हम. $1478 is the green earring. 1480.
1478 is the red stone ball earring.
Okay. 1479. So there are two colors in this. 1479. Get that out. See, it looks so beautiful. Single pieces, no repetition at all. Otherwise the rates are much higher. These are just one pieces left, so we're just giving it off. 800 rupees only. One is the red and 1480 is the beige. Okay? Next, there are lovely AD jhumkas which I'm going to show you all. पूरा AD झुमका है. It's a complete टोकरी. पूरा डायमंड से भरा हुआ है. पूरा डायमंड से भरा हुआ. नीचे पर्ल है, ऊपर मानक है. It looks amazing. 1000 rupees only. 1000 rupees only. 1481. 1481 is the red. 1482 is the mint green. With the mint green pearls. Okay. I'll wear one of them and show it to you. I have not removed this. See, I'll wear the jhumkas. They look very nice. Formal wear, अभी तो सब खुल रहा है, शादियाँ है. In my own group only there are so many shadis. See, Shana's बताए the झुमका. It looks so pretty, isn't it? बोलते ना झुमका गिरा रे. This is that झुमका. तो गिर भी जाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है ना. 800 रुपये का ही है. Okay, so one red and one mint green. 1000 rupees only. पूरा डायमंड का है. पूरा डायमंड. So two colors in the jhumkas. They look amazing. They look superb on wearing. Okay. 1000 rupees only. See our rates. Check out the market, then buy. And I am here in this market since 35 long years. 30 years से मेरी शॉप है जो आपको सबको पता है. So I don't need to repeat it again. This is beautiful party wear earring for 1200 rupees. Beautiful party wear earring. 1200 rupees only. 1200 rupees only. 1483. Any saris, any lehengas. I don't want it here. Put it over there. We'll just zoom the camera. And arrange it number wise, please. Yeah, arrange this one. Okay. 1200 rupees only. WhatsApp number Rakhi ji 99878222121. 99878222121. Hi Nafisa Bindiwan. Hello Zainab Babuji. Hello everybody. Sorry I'm not answering everybody's messages. I have to just finish a lot of things to show you all today. तो अगर मैं सबके मैसेज करूँगी तो मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा. What's wrong with the camera? One second. There's some problem with the back camera. Okay, 1200 rupees only. 1200 rupees only. Now last two earrings. This is for 850. My back camera is having some problem. Let me check it out. 850 rupees only. Number 1512. 1512. This is for 850 only. ये सब मेरे डिज़ाइनर पीसेस है. Single pieces, there will be no repetition. Trust me, you will love my variety. You will love my things. जब शिरीन सिकंदरનો ફોન છે એને કહું કે મેં પછી કરું છું. 1512. 850 rupees only. I'll wear and show you all. It looks superb. And one more tops to go and then the earrings are done. Then we start with the bracelet. I've got more than 15 variety in bracelets. Yeah, see this. Shana, show it. See this earring after it is worn. I love these earrings. They look, मेरे सब designer catalog के हैं. So they look very smart and very different and all one pieces. And see our rates. Isn't it stunning? Looks beautiful. See the diamond, see the green stone, see the workmanship. पहली चीज़ अभी ज्वेलरी खरीद तो आपका वर्कमैनशिप देखना चाहिए कि इतना बढ़िया, जितना भारी काम होता है इतना महंगी चीज़ होती है. सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज जितना अच्छा छोटा काम होता है दैट लुक्स बेटर, यू नो, दैट लुक्स मोर रियल. Thank you for sharing everybody. I'll talk to you all later. Okay, one more tops, 500 rupees only. 500 rupees only. I'll remove this earring na bacha. 1513. 500 rupees only. है ना, it's a deal ना, so 500 ढूंढते रह जाओगे. They look superb. I'll wear and show you. Just 500. मेरे सब आइटम टुडे आप क्या बोलना बेन, कलेक्शन सो ब्यूटीफुल. तो खरीद लो, फिर खरीदेंगे तो गोल्ड कॉइन भी मिलेगा ना. 500 rupees only. Rubies and diamonds. The marquee rubies, they look very nice. Hello everybody. Isn't it lovely? 500. 500 only.
1480 sold out. 1482 sold out.
So this is all like ये हटा दो अभी सब. Okay, I'll do a recap. I'll do that. I'm doing a recap of all the earrings and Uzma will remove and give it to everybody. Clip-on Bali's 500 rupees. Number 1467. 1467. एक गोल्ड में है, एक रोज गोल्ड में है. ये इसमें क्लिप खाली लगा देने का. Okay, I'd worn and showed. One more clip-on, 500 rupees only. One more clip-on, 500 rupees only. Number is 1469. 1469. Clip-on Bali's. इसको खाली ऐसे लगा देने का. Hi Mariam, hi Batul. Again one more Bali, 500 rupees only. 1470. बालीस. हाँ, ये सब बालिया है. ब्लैक नाजमीन ब्लैक डायमंड्स में अभी नहीं है, जो आज मैं हर टाइम अलग दिखाती हूँ. 1471. 500 rupees only. 1472. 1472. 500 only. ये सब मेरे कैटलॉग डिज़ाइन रियल डायमंड इम्पोर्टेड इयरिंग्स है. ब्यूटिफुल ब्लू एंड पर्ल्स 500 only 1473. Golden ethnic Bali 500 only 1474. मुनीरा बेन प्रेस वाला इज़ फॉर द बायर्स. फर्स्ट अभी बायर्स को दे रहे हैं और जो शेयरिंग कर ले उन लोग के लिए भी कुछ सोच रहे हैं हम लोग. उन लोग को भी बढ़िया गिफ्ट देंगे. ब्यूटिफुल 500 मैट गोल्ड एंड रोडियम 500 rupees only. Uzma, you can remove once it's taken out. This is 1477 850 rupees. Sharaz, I want the bare wale. Okay, this is sold 800 rupees. I don't know what all is sold. Uzma bhi सब बोलती जाएगी निकालती जाएगी. 800 rupees. Next 1478. Even this is sold. 1479. 800 rupees. Two colors. 1480. One red and beige. 800 rupees. Jhumkas. 1000 rupees. Two colors. 1000 rupees only. This is marvelous. 1200 rupees only. 1000 के ऊपर शिपिंग फ्री और गिफ्ट तो मिलेंगे ही आपको शॉपिंग करेंगे तो कितने अच्छे ऑफर्स हैं हमारे तरफ से. 1512. ये सब मैंने पहना था और दिखाया था. जिसने भी मिस किया यू कैन सी माई रिकैप. 850 rupees only. Last earring 500 rupees only. So we start with the bracelets. I have got more than 15 variety in the bracelets. उसमें अभी तुम सबके निकाल दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 9987822121 9987822121 only 2 sets today. 9987822121. Okay, this is a beautiful set. Beautiful set. I love it personally. See, it's a pink beautiful set. 1500 rupees only.